Welcome to the series. If you know this, you know AI agents. By the end of these 30 videos, you'll understand, build, and deploy real AI agents. And yes, this is the skill that's getting freshers hired in 2026. Let's start with the foundation, the L. An LLM, large language model, is just a function.
Text goes in.
Text comes out. That's literally it. GPT-4, Claude, Gemini, they're all LLMs. They read your input, predict the most likely useful response, and return it. So, what makes an LLM an agent? Three things: perception, reasoning, and action. The LLM perceives, it reads your message and its context. It reasons, it thinks through what to do. It acts, it either responds or calls a tool. That's the agent loop. Input, reason, output, repeat. Here's what this means for you as a fresher. Every AI product you've heard of, Claude Code, GitHub Copilot, Devin, is just an LLM in a loop with some tools attached. Once you understand the LLM layer, everything else is just details. Next video, we give the agent hands. We talk about tools.